So you want to learn how to attack cancel back air. Well, fortunately for you, I have just the thing. So I just spent a little bit of time learning how to attack cancel back air, and I'm not really good at it yet, but I think I figured out the trick to it. So a lot of tutorials teach you about the specific button inputs and stuff like that you gotta do, but in reality, it's a lot simpler than that. So basically, what you're doing is there's a couple fundamental principles here. The first one being that you can cancel your forward tilt with a jump if it's a turnaround, like that or that. So basically, what you're doing is you're combining that with a dash and the short hop buffer mechanic, which is turning it into a running forward back air. So what you want to do, if you notice, if you do your initial dash and then push the C stick forward, which you need the C stick to be tilt stick for this, by the way. If you run forward and push your C stick forward, your character will do a dash attack, like this. But if you run forward and push your C stick backwards, your character will do a forward tilt facing forward, like that. I don't know why, but that's how it is. So basically, you're doing that first, and then you cancel this forward tilt with a jump, and then you keep holding the direction you're going, and you'll end up with attack cancel back air like that. So you're running and then forward tilting in the wrong direction in order to get your forward tilt like that. So I'm running, then pushing the C stick left, which for some reason combines to give me a forward tilt, and then you jump cancel that. So let's see if I can get it right here. Oh, almost. Like I said, I'm not really good at it yet, but that's the basic gist of it. I think my controller's better on one side than the other, but yeah. So you're doing your initial dash, it only works during initial dash, and then forward tilt in the wrong direction, and then sometimes it goes forward if you get it correctly. And then you cancel that. Come on, Gandorf. There you go. And you cancel that into a jump, like that. It's a little tough to do, but if you do it, it can let you get some really nasty damage. Let's see if I can get this. I messed it up. It doesn't work. It doesn't work. I'm bad at it. I just learned this like 10 minutes ago. But yeah. I can do it from a standstill. That's nice. So we can get out of grab. There we go. Like I said, I'm not the most consistent, but that's basically what you're doing. You're running, and during initial dash, pushing the C-stick the opposite direction you're going, which gives you a forward tilt, then jump canceling that, and still hold your control stick the way you're going. And that'll confuse the game and turn into a forwards back air. Or sometimes this happens a lot. I'm not exactly what triggers it, but this control is pretty old and it's really funky. Earlier when I was practicing, before I knew what I was doing, I was only pushing left and right, and I kept getting up airs and down airs and neutral airs during this, so make sure you got the technique down, though. I'd recommend, someone else mentioned in a video, practicing it across the stage, which I totally think is a good idea to do. Ah, shit. No! It's pretty tough, but I think it's worth it. Hey, I got it. Yeah, that's all. Attack, cancel, back air. It's not as difficult as it sounds. You're running, canceling your forward tilt, which you push the opposite direction for some reason to get a forward one. That's how it works. And then canceling that with a jump. Ooh, that was nasty. All right, I'm going to turn this off.